Thank you, Cabinet Secretary, for your answer. We have corresponded, or I know we've spoken on the issues of the upcoming closure of the A470 at Nhalerddig for repair works on the retaining wall on the trunk road. Now, the works themselves are very much needed and long overdue. However, the concern is, to me, the community and affected businesses, is the complete road closure for up to 7 weeks. Now, I appreciate your officials have liaised with local community leaders in recent weeks, but this plan has only just been made public ahead of the closure at the end of the month. Now, the official diversion is 70-mile route, which will cause significant disruption and, of course, further disruption and chaos on smaller roads as well. So can I ask, Cabinet Secretary, what options have been considered to keep one lane open during working hours? Can further consideration be given to cutting into the woodland opposite the collapsed wall for a temporary road to be in place? I understand NRW had some issues with this, but I have corresponded with them myself. Can works be carried out 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to complete the work more quickly? And what update can you give on how emergency services and school transport can be supported in this time as well? I look forward to your answer being a pragmatic Cabinet Secretary.
Well, can I thank the member for highlighting this particular challenge and say to his constituents that I fully appreciate the frustration that the work is causing or will cause. It relates to a retaining wall. I'm afraid the work has to be done as an emergency, and I know that the member would agree, and I know that all community leaders would agree. I did interrogate thoroughly the options, I can assure the member, and also the length of the diversion. I'll provide a full briefing in writing, if I may, and I'll share that with all members with an interest in this particular route. But unfortunately, we were not able to proceed with the single-lane option for safety reasons, and I understand that the option of cutting into the forest and creating a temporary road was also examined but ruled out for various reasons. I know that officials are liaising with Powys County Council and other stakeholders to reduce disruption and provide replacement services for public and school transport, but I will provide a detailed response to the member in writing.